In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit in Higgsfield AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to higgsfield.ai and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And then once you have done this, you'll have to go up here to where it says create, and then you can create either a video, UGC content, speak content, so speaking content, or you can create an image. So to actually edit, of course, you can do whatever of these you want, but I'm going to show you an example with a video. So let's say you have an image or a video you'd like to edit. So I'm just gonna click on over here and I'm going to basically paste something in. It can either be as you can see, it can be an image or whatever you want, you can paste it in. And then I'm gonna just use this for an example, click on open. And then once you have this in here, you can then start editing it. And the way you do this is you click on change up here. And this is basically where the magic happens. So we can use the Higgsfield or VO3, and then you can see a bunch of different kind of presets via which you can edit your image. So let's say you want an image, and let's say you wanted like the bullet time effect, or maybe a crash zoom in, or maybe you can even do like mouth in, head off, whatever you want. So these are all the edits that are available over here. Now, let's say for this instance, we're going to do the bullet time. You simply want to just click on that, and it's going to create yourself and edit this image into a video with bullet time or whatever effect you chose. Now you can also optionally select a frame if you want to. Of course you don't have to, it's going to be an end frame, but yeah, you can just skip this and go directly to the prompt, and inside the prompt you can just type in, for example, bullet time in front of a wall action scene or whatever you want. You can do literally whatever over here, but be as detailed as possible because it will give you better results. Now enhance could be on to actually make the prompts a bit better, and then what you want to do is select your model. In case you're in the free version, the Higgsfield Lite is going to be the only one you're going to have access to. However, if you have premium, you can use one of these as well. And then here you also have the settings, which can basically allow you to set the duration. You can select if you want to have a random seed, or if you want to actually use more steps or less steps. So that's pretty much it when it comes to that. You then just have to press on generate over here. It's gonna start generating a video like it's generating over here on the right. As you can see, I did one with the building explosion. And then that is gonna be pretty much it. So as you can see, just generated one of these videos this very second over here. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. It was edited, and it did exactly what I tell it to do. So basically, a man is standing with his arms crossed, with a smile, and then basically everything is gonna explode behind him. However, he seems unbothered, okay? So that is exactly what it did, and you can use this to edit whatever image you want into a video with custom effects. Now, that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.